Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group and you are watching to the Market Watch review. Today's pullback in yields has boosted risk appetites, lifting equities and weighing down the greenback. The dollar has slid as low as 0.2%. The majority of Asia-Pacific equity markets rose at least 1%, with Hong Kong leading the charge. This was the best regional performance in a single month. Stoxx 600 in Europe is up 1.5% for its third consecutive advance. U.S. futures point to a higher opening. For the fourth consecutive session, gold is pushing higher to reach $1,830. After dropping by 3.25% over the previous two sessions, March WTI is now stabilizing well above yesterday's low of $88.50. Asian Pacific market. It is still a surprise that the Bank of Japan has not been present. Many people expected the central bank would buy bonds to protect the higher end of the 10-year yield band at 0.2%. The dollar hit a high of JPY 115.70 in late January, just short of the mark it had reached before falling off. The risk-on impulses of equities are offset by the lower yields. The Australian dollar is testing the high of $7,170 last week. Market of Europe. About 165 trillion euros has been used by the ECB from its 185 trillion envelope to fund the Pandemic Emergency Purchase Program, which is due to close next month. Next month's ECB meeting is going to be dominated by the updated forward guidance regarding its pre-existing bond purchasing program, APP. APP is a program that buys around 20 BLN euros per month. This was to make the transition smoother from the NPEPP. After last week's surge, the euro is consolidating. Yesterday's drop below $1.14 didn't spur any follow-through selling. Today, euro trades quietly between $1.1395 and $1.1450. Tomorrow's first estimate of Q4 GDP by the UK will be released. It is expected to show 1% quarter-over-quarter, which is the same as the third quarter. However, it appears that the economy has lost some momentum towards the end of the year. This should be noted in the December details. Market of America. Today's CPI report will be dominated by the Fed's Bowman and Mester. Now, the odds of 50 BP increases next month are slightly lower than their peak at 40%. No Fed official has endorsed this move, and many have opposed it. The EIA raised its estimates for U.S. oil production in this and next year's. It anticipates that next year's record of 12.3 million barrels per day will be broken. Although large shale producers have increased their investment plans, this is still very modest by 2019 standards. The CAD 1.2650 to 1.2660 region was where the U.S. dollar established a base. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.